Twist. She twisted the cap off the bottle. Twist. She twisted the cap off the bottle. Fold. She folded the shirt neatly. Fold. She folded the shirt neatly. Twirl. The girl twirled in her dress. Twirl. The girl twirled in her dress. Drape. He draped the blanket over the couch. Drape. He draped the blanket over the couch. Flicker. The candlelight flickered. Flicker. The candlelight flickered. Flap. The bird flapped its wings. Flap. The bird flapped its wings. Nod. She nodded in agreement. Nod. She nodded in agreement. Crumple. He crumpled the paper and threw it away. Crumple. He crumpled the paper and threw it away. Stretch. He stretched his legs after sitting. Stretch. He stretched his legs after sitting. Sniff. She sniffed the bread. Sniff. She sniffed the bread. Sway. The trees swayed in the wind. Sway. The trees swayed in the wind. Swirl. The dancer's dress swirled. Swirl. The dancer's dress swirled. Tap. He tapped the table. Tap. He tapped the table. Slide. The kids slid down the slide. Slide. The kids slid down the slide. Dip. He dipped his toes in the water. Dip. He dipped his toes in the water. Swish. The broom made a swish sound. Swish. The broom made a swish sound. Squeeze. She squeezed her friend's shoulder. Squeeze. She squeezed her friend's shoulder. Stretch. He stretched his arm to reach the shelf. Stretch. He stretched his arm to reach the shelf. Shake. The house shook in the quake. Shake. The house shook in the quake. Mimic. He mimicked the actor's accent. Mimic. He mimicked the actor's accent. Grip. She gripped the steering wheel. Grip. She gripped the steering wheel. Stir. He stirred the soup. Stir. He stirred the soup. Adjust. She adjusted the TV volume. Adjust. She adjusted the TV volume. Murmur. They murmured quietly. Murmur. They murmured quietly. Pinch. He pinched the salt into the soup. Pinch. He pinched the salt into the soup. Wobble. The chair wobbled when he sat down. Wobble. The chair wobbled when he sat down. Swoop. The bird swooped down to catch a fish. Swoop. The bird swooped down to catch a fish. Snuggle. The children snuggled together in bed. Snuggle. The children snuggled together in bed. Tilt. He tilted the picture frame. Tilt. He tilted the picture frame. Bounce. The ball bounced high. Bounce. The ball bounced high. Tug. She tugged on the rope. Tug. She tugged on the rope.